Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the trend filter indicator for MT4. This technical analysis tool helps traders identify the prevailing market trend using a combination of moving averages, oscillators, or other trend following techniques displayed through color-coded visual cues. In this video, you will see how the trend filter works, how it differentiates between trends and range-bound markets, and which trading strategies are described. The trend filter indicator is a technical analysis tool used to identify and filter out trends in financial markets, helping traders determine whether the market is in an uptrend, downtrend, or range-bound condition. By filtering out noise and focusing on the dominant market direction, the indicator allows traders to make more informed decisions and minimize the chances of entering trades that go against the prevailing market momentum. The core functionality is based on price action and general market trend using a combination of moving averages, oscillators, or other trend following techniques, typically displaying a colored line, histogram, or arrows to indicate trend direction. Alright, we can see the indicator on the chart already in a separate window, and it's quite easy to interpret actually. On the charts, in an uptrend, the indicator may display a green line, as you can see over here, or histogram signaling that buyers are in control of the market, while in a downtrend it may show a red line, as you can see down here and over here as well, or histogram suggesting that sellers are dominating. In a sideways or range-bound market, the indicator may show a neutral color, as we can see here and all over here, indicating that there is no clear trend and the market is consolidating. The trend filter indicator can be used in conjunction with other technical tools like oscillators, such as RSI or stochastic, moving averages, or price action analysis to confirm trade setups. As for the settings, let's take a look. For the inputs, we have the M bars, that default value set at 89, and the MA period, that default value set at 9. You can also customize our colors to set your preferred color. Alright, and choose our preferred time frames as well. That's that for the settings. As for who it's for, the trend filter indicator is suitable for traders who want to avoid counter trend trades, reducing the probability of losses, focus on high probability setups by filtering out noise, improve risk management by trading in the direction of dominant trends, and enhance strategy development when integrated with other technical tools. For trend following strategies, traders look for buy opportunities when the indicator shows a strong uptrend with green color, and sell opportunities when it shows downtrend with red color, while trend reversal confirmation uses indicator color switches from green to red or vice versa, combined with chart patterns or candlestick analysis. However, like most trend following indicators, it has a lagging nature, meaning that by the time a trend is identified, part of the move may already be over, and in range band or choppy markets, it may generate false signals leading to potential losses requiring use of higher time frame confirmation and additional filters. You can download the trend filter indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how filtering out market noise to focus on dominant trend direction can improve trade timing and accuracy. If you like trend identification tools with customizable sensitivity and color-coded visual cues, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.